Hello investors, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Crypto Wave and I'm back bringing you another wave of booming tokens. So today this video is on the token we were just talking about last video. It's crazy, I have to speak about this again. From the time of recording that video, the token has gone ×5. It looks like it is going to break the all-time high. If you don't believe me, go back to my last video and you'll see the price on it. For those of you that are doubting this token, saying this is just a meme token or this is a rug pull, I can assure you this is not a meme token. This is not a meme coin. This coin is here to stay. Sure, it may be marketed as the next SafeMoon. That was just to gain traction, just to gain popularity. But it really is not the next SafeMoon. It is the better SafeMoon. This coin is actually something that can stay and be a sustainable long-term project. Just take a look at the roadmap again. This is a serious coin. They have serious development. They have a very dedicated team which are working extremely hard to make sure that Bonfire is a token that is here to last. This token is not going to go anywhere. It is not a meme coin. We are going to be skimming through the use cases of this token later, but the reason why I say skimming is because I already made an in-depth video about this coin. As the community is growing and we are getting more holders, I frequently see the same question. How to buy Bonfire? How do you buy Bonfire? How do you buy Bonfire? Well, today I am going to show you how to own this coin. Step number one is to head over to the link in the description, metamask.io, and over here you will see a download now button. Press the download now button. It is supported on many browsers, but most of you are probably using Google Chrome. I think it's easiest to use it on Google Chrome, but it really doesn't matter. Press the download now button and then you will receive a pop-up. On this pop-up, you will just press add extension for it to be added onto your Chrome or whatever browser you are using. Now you will be brought to a page saying welcome to MetaMask. You just press the big blue button again that says get started, and then it will ask you if you are a first-time user with MetaMask. So you say yes you are, you want to create a new wallet, and then it will ask you help us improve MetaMask. It will ask you if you want to allow MetaMask to gather usage data about you. I agree if you want, no thanks if you want, it really doesn't matter. And then next up, create password. You just put in the password that you want. Of course you want a very secure password as you will be holding your funds here, and do not give your password to anyone. Once you do that, you want to check off the I have read and agree to the terms of use button and then press create to create your wallet. From here you'll be brought to a page where it will be giving you your secret backup phrase. What this is it a seed? Now pay attention here, this is very important. This seed is extremely important. Do not lose this seed and do not give this seed to anybody. Anyone with access to this seed will be able to have complete access to your funds. If you lose this seed, there is no way to restore your wallet. If you lose your password, you do not have access to your funds anymore. Write this seed down, jot this seed down. Don't put it on your phone. I made that mistake once of putting something on my phone, and then my phone just had a big crash. It was an Apple phone too. A big crash, reset my storage. You cannot trust anything. Write it on your paper. Write it on a piece of paper. Hide the piece of paper. Write it on 10 pieces of paper. Hide these 10 pieces of paper. Do not lose this seed, and make sure nobody ever has access to this seed. Now that you have your seed safely written down somewhere, you will press next, and then it will tell you to rewrite your seed. Re-enter your seed here. This is just to confirm that you know your seed and that you have it saved. Once you do that, you will be brought to your MetaMask wallet. Congratulations, you guys now have a crypto wallet. This Ethereum wallet is only for the Ethereum blockchain, and Bonfire token is held in the Binance Smart Chain. So how do we add the Binance Smart Chain? It's fairly simple. You press the Ethereum mainnet button on the top right of your wallet, and then you press add custom RPC. Once you press that, it will give you a page where you need to fill kind of a form out. When you have this page ready, you just copy down what's in this video. Copy it exactly the way that it is written here. I have it written here so you guys will have the smart chain readily accessible for you to use. Press save, and once again, congratulations, you now have a Binance Smart Chain wallet. So what do you need to do now? You need to head over to the link in the description. It will bring you to the Binance website, and from there you just register for a Binance account. Once you have your Binance account registered, you need to buy some cryptocurrency using either a debit card, credit card, bank wire, or whatever method you would like to use to purchase your cryptocurrency. You want to purchase BNB, the Binance coin. Once you have the Binance coin, you will head over to wallet and then click on fiat and spot. It will probably redirect you to this after purchasing your cryptocurrency. Once you are on this page, you will scroll down and find BNB. When you see your BNB, you will press withdraw on the right side. When you press withdraw, it will ask you to paste your address in there. It will ask you for an address. You'll want to go back to your MetaMask now and click on this button right here. on the top here where it says 0 BNB. When you click on it, it will automatically copy your address to your clipboard. Go back to your Binance, press paste, press max if you want to send all of the BNB to your MetaMask, or however much you would like to send, just choose your amount. Press next and follow the on-screen instructions. When you do so, you will have BNB into your MetaMask. It may take a few minutes, so do not panic when your BNB disappears from Binance and is not in MetaMask yet. Sometimes it does take time. Now you want to go on to PancakeSwap.finance. When you're here on the top right, you press the connect button and connect your MetaMask wallet to this website. On the left hand side, press the button exchange. When you press exchange, press trade. Press trade and then you will be redirected to this page right here. Go to the Bonfire website, again linked in the description, and scroll all the way down until you find the token address. You can see the newly updated roadmap on this page as well. I will just quickly go over some of the main points as I already have a full in-depth video on the Bonfire token. So they will be having a mobile application releasing soon. They will be having FireSwap in exchange just like PancakeSwap releasing soon. They will be having a social media network and much more. This token is actually here to stay. It is not a meme coin. It is an altcoin. Once you have the token address copied to your clipboard, you want to go back to PancakeSwap and go back to that page that you're on. When you're on this page, you want to press this button right here and paste the token address on here. Then press the button add, click on Bonfire, and there you have it. You are now able to trade Bonfire. You have BNB and you have Bonfire. Now all you have to do is enter the amount of BNB that you want to exchange for Bonfire. But before you do that, you want to press this gear icon at the top right, settings, and change the slippage to 12%. Sometimes you may have to put it a little higher, but it will work at 12% most likely. When you do that, X out of that, and then you enter the amount of BNB that you would like to trade for Bonfire. Once you do that, you press swap, a pop-up will appear, you press approve, and that's it. You officially own Bonfire now. You will receive a notification on whatever browser you are using saying that the transaction was confirmed, and now you own Bonfire. Congratulations, you are a proud holder of this token. My name is CryptoWave. I hope I was able to help you guys today, and I hope you guys have a great day. I will be back for more content, more crypto news, and a lot more. My name is CryptoWave, and I will see you at the moon.